Shakas! Aloha, crafty friends, it's Maka. I'm here today from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you those cards that I made with the paper that I was asked to review from Amazon. If you did not get a chance to see that video, I will post the link here. But I received this from a vendor who asked me to review their paper, and I made some cards with them. So stay tuned. I'll show you some of the process, and then I'll be back to share with you the cards. Okay, I pulled out a few papers from my stash, and I am going to let the camera roll, play some music, and assemble some of these cards. I still need to find some ephemera that I like and some sentiments, but you can see the papers that I'm going to be using. Okay, here we go. of the cards that I got. I think I got 18 cards total. I don't have any sentiments on them or not too much embellishments. One or two maybe I have some embellishments, but I don't have my Christmas craft stuff down, and all my embellishments that will go good with these papers are in that box. So maybe I'll do an update video once I add the sentiments and a little more ephemera or just more on the front. But this is one of them, and this was the paper that had the repeat with the wreath around it. And then I used the foil red paper I had in my stash, as well as the card bases. So yes, and here's the rest of it. I probably just used the scrap of it and made this card base, and then added that there. Here's another one. I put it up on foam dots. I added the red base and then added this red and white, it's like twine, but it's more like paper, not material. And then here's another one. I used the gift paper and I cut this oval out from some other cards that I made, and then like here, and then I used the negative and just added it on here. So here's this, and that one's up on foam dots as well. Here's another. Whoops. And that all over poinsettia repeat print. And then more here. And then this was just some of the scraps I had. I just layered them on this paper to just try to use it up. Here's another one. This doesn't have any of the paper pack. This is just all stuff from my stash. So that one might not count. So maybe I only have 17. This is the cute papers with the ice skates on it. Oh, and this one flips up. And then I added these poinsettias. I already had these made. And here's another one I added it to. So these I just need a sentiment. Maybe I'll add some more gemmies or something like that, but they're almost done. And then this is the last one. Yeah, so those are my 18 cards I got from that paper pack that I got off of Amazon. I'll leave the link again to the listing on Amazon in my description box below if you guys are interested in it. Yeah, so I hope you guys found some inspiration. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see her. And until my next video, shakas.